24 hours to end of ultimate love, Bolanle and Arnold fight dating. With less than 24 hours to the end of the Ultimate Love reality television show, Bolanle and Arnold, with the couple named Bolar, had an argument that separated them. Bolanle and Arnold were having a nice time that snowballed into an embarrassing disagreement. The fight that started as a joke was about Bolanle being accused of being an ungrateful person. Arnold complained that it took his time to massage Bolanle's foot, but she refused to appreciate the kind gesture. While trying to prove her point, Bolanle stressed that Arnold did not spend enough time on the massage, as she claimed he spent 2 minutes on it. She also tried to maintain that she meant Arnold's effort was not worth appreciating. She asked Chidi Banks for evidence, which was her complaint to him. Bolanle did not stop there but added that she had earlier complained to Chidi Banks that she had to beg Arnold for just 1 more minute of massage because he was not ready to give it his concentration. That was the stroke that broke the camel's back, and Arnold replied, showing his displeasure. Arnold replied saying, "I went to carry Ori, shea butter, and I would have spent just 2 minutes on both legs. That is ungrateful. You are such an ungrateful person." At this point, the atmosphere was reaching the boiling point in a rush, but it got to the point when Arnold made his final statement on the issue. He said, "I don't like staying around ungrateful people," and that was it. When that statement came out from Arnold, Bolanle immediately lifted her legs from Arnold's laps and left the scene while saying, "I need to leave now because I can't stay here and listen to this type of things." That seemed to be the end of the discussion from both Bolanle and Arnold, and Chidi Banks, who was the referee, but his sure emotional cord have been tampered with. In less than 24 hours, the Ultimate Love couple will be unveiled at the last Ultimate Love finale. Do you expect to see Bolanle and Arnold emerging? Even if they do or do not, do you see them walking after the love part? Please share your thoughts with us in the comment section. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.